Keys, where did I put the key? Wait a second. This isn't my Lambo key. This is definitely not the key to my Aventador. Whoa. What? Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. Boys, we have done it. We have officially arrived. We got the Murcielago LP640 all the way from the silky state of Illinois. We got the Aventador. Unfortunately, this is not my Lamborghini Murcielago. My buddy Alex, aka Lambo Jesus, has driven up from Scottsdale, Arizona in the Mercy. We got the Aventador, we got two V12s. The goal is to not get into too much trouble today because I cannot, under any circumstances whatsoever, get pulled over for 58 days. More to come. I'm excited to announce today's video has been sponsored by Battle Breakers. Battle Breakers is a cartoon-inspired hero collector RPG brought to you by the team at Epic Games. It's free to play and free to download on iOS, Android, and PC devices. Click my link below to download Battle Breakers yourself. Monsters from space have trapped the world's greatest heroes in Techno Magic Crystal, and now it's up to you to assemble the ultimate team of super warriors and take back your planet. There's hundreds of heroes, big bosses, and epic brawls. Explore over 1,000 dungeons across volcanoes, forests, glaciers, and more. Let's collect an arsenal of powerful heroes ready to fight to save the world. We'll unleash massive attacks using our special abilities to take down bosses and smash through legions of monsters. Battle Breakers. Massive shout out to Epic Games for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to check out the link in the description below. You can download Battle Breakers for free. The Aventador and the LP640 look so good together as a pair. Are you kidding me? Maybe a precursor of what's to come. I think it's officially decided we need another V12. They look so good together. I think it's official. I need an LP640. I can visualize it now, and the visualization is very, very good. I need him! Whoa! No! They flames! We saw flames! But you were looking at my face! No! No! The biggest flames ever! What? I want that car! Off-roading one Lamborghini is cool, but why not off-road two V12 Lamborghinis? I can only imagine what Alex is thinking right now. He's probably not very happy with me, but he'll be okay. One of my favorite things about the Murcielago is check out the monstrosity of those doors. Are you kidding me, Alex? So yeah, did you know you're gonna be off-roading today in Utah?
I wasn't expecting it, but I can't say I'm disappointed.
If you saw the last video, you know exactly where we are. We have this private racetrack in Eagle Mountain, Utah. Shout out to Blinker Fluid YouTube channel for giving us access. The airport runway's over there. We're gonna be there later on this evening, but they're doing like some flight school. I don't know. I know it doesn't seem that important. I feel like they should be drag racing supercars instead of using it as an airport. But anyways, we got the track all to ourselves, and we're gonna try to set a lap record in the Aventador. The current record is 1:15.98. We also have Todd from Agility Customs in the Trackhawk. We got the Murcielago. We have Todd going up first from Agility Customs. Todd, never doubtful, send 0 to 60 in what? 3.4. 3.5? Jeez.
He's at 110 right now.
Is he gonna set a track? No, he's not gonna do a track record.
He's a little behind, but not bad.
We are in a bad spot right now. Oh my gosh!
And second time ever.
1:18.28.
1:16.
1:16. Wow, Todd, humble.
The confidence. You got 130, man. No, just kidding. I'm just kidding.
You almost got us best
118.
He's ready to go again. There's room for improvement for sure.
Oh, for sure. I'm not out here making excuses, but Todd does have more horsepower than me. I only have 691. He has 707. So yeah, you know, there is the weight difference, but that doesn't matter.
He's got the lap record right now.
14:93. He doesn't even know it yet.
We gotta lie, right?
Lap record. Oh, you gotta tell him. You just tell him 119 because Todd got 118.
Okay, 119, man. You're
119.
You're
Just
so
barely. Just barely. I wasn't going full send yet.
Oh, all right.
That was your practice lap, right? Practice.
All right.
I got you. That was terrible lines. All over the place. It was a disaster, but
Yeah, let's see a better one. Let's see a better one.
We just snaked James so hard. The guy already has the lap record. He's gonna go set another one. Go get him, James! James is really moving.
Okay.
What do we got?
Oh my gosh. 112.
Dang.
I felt like that was worse than the last one.
You do.
We gotta come clean.
Yeah, we gotta come clean, man.
That first lap, you actually did 114.
Oh!
So you smoked the record already.
You were the champion when you were starting your next lap.
And now you just did it in 112.
But you can't get better if you don't push it.
Alex, it's your turn. You're a better driver
oh my
than me.
God.
You're a better driver, though.
I'll try.
3, 2, 1, go.
That car sounds so good. Are you kidding me? There will be a Mercy LP640 coming to the channel kind of sort of soon. Not that soon. Like, I gotta build my house first. I gotta make some money, and then soon.
You got 124.95.
Wow, slow. That's worse than the track.
Yeah, but you like came to a stop in like angles.
Yeah.
So it sounds the best though. It definitely sounds the best. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is such a scary corner because it's the fastest straightaway straight into a 90-degree. Every single car that goes by, I assume they're gonna go off into the ditch, but we're good. Todd's gonna beat my record. He's going to.
Not bad.
What did you get?
Hey, shaved off some time.
117.
117.
Out of nowhere, we got the Tesla Model X. So he had 117 yesterday. He heard that I said a 112, and he's coming to try to beat me, but. He is falling right now. Oh my gosh, I think he might, whoa. We saw a lot of dirt. He might have beat me, we'll see, we'll see.
Oh, yeah,
no,
man.
bro, don't do me like this.
Okay. You did a 115. So.
I almost just lost my pride and everything. I would have had to quit YouTube, Todd.
Might as
I'd be
well.
done for.
Sell it to somebody else.
115 though, that's
Model
properly
X.
quick. A new track record at 112. We're now headed off to the airport runway. We're gonna race the Murcielago, and I think we might race the Tesla Model X. I'm not quite as excited for that because that Model X, it's gonna embarrass me. I'm almost sure of it. Because I'm not gonna launch the Aventador because the trans is like 50 grand. So I don't stand a chance. How sick is this? We have our own private airstrip. We're just out here flexing on the nation, chasing views on views. Are you kidding me? The Aventador and the Murcielago, or Murcielago. I want to launch the Aventador. It's not that I don't want to, but if I do, I'll blow up the transmission. It's like 50 grand. And then same thing with Alex. And then also, the owners of this airstrip, they don't want us to leave any rubber on the runway. So we're gonna do a rolling race at 5 miles an hour. I wasn't actually racing the Murcielago. I just wanted to get really good sound clips for you. We're gonna do a take 2, but now the Tesla Model X and the Trackhawk are gonna go. There will be a take 2. I don't want to hear that V12, honestly. Utah is just out here flexing on the nation. Are you kidding me? So we got the Model X against the Trackhawk. The Trackhawk has the Hellcat engine. We're talking 707 horsepower. This is gonna be from a rolling start as well because we're not allowed to launch here on the runway. Here we go. That Model X is fast. Love it or hate them, Teslas are impressive. They have stupid vanity license plates, but they're fast. Are you kidding me? Okay, this time I'm gonna take the race a bit serious. Last time I just wanted to hear that Murcielago. It's a fast car, I don't want to take anything away from it, but I think the Aventador can beat it. We just gotta go full send, with no doubt. There's no hesitation, but look at that sunset, boys. We're just out here flexing on the nation, chasing views on views. I gotta put my ego aside, and we're racing the Tesla Model X P100D. I am gonna be embarrassed. I'm nearly certain of it. Man. We have the 700 horsepower Lamborghini Aventador against the Tesla Model X P100D, 0 to 60 in around 2.7, 0 to 60 in around 2.7, but we're not launching either car. We're doing a roll race at 5 miles an hour.
Here we go.
Good luck, man. Let's do it. Okay, brakes, 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 brakes. Woo! We did it!
Made it!
Yes, yes.
Close! Yeah! Awesome. Next time we gotta go from 0. 0, I think I'd have you, but 10, I don't think I got you.
That was insane. That was so cool.
I love that car. It's such a fun car.
We were gonna have to quit YouTube, but boys, we did it. That was a very, very, very clean race, but I think he's right. If we would have actually started from a 0, the Model X would have beat the Aventador. What a fun day. I cannot thank Blinker Fluid enough for bringing us out here. The airstrip, the private track, the Aventador, the Mercy, the Model X, the Trackhawk. What a day. We are headed that way. We were gonna head home, and then I realized we didn't get a rev battle for you, so we got the Aventador, we got the Murcielago. Headphone users, seize the moment like it's gonna be loud, boys. Murcielago, Aventador. That was very, very painful. And you got Alex there in the back. Today's video is effectively over, but real quick, on Instagram 2 days ago, I announced that when Lamborghini finally replaces the Aventador, I'm gonna be putting down a deposit on that car. However, yesterday, all these rumors started floating around on the internet that Lamborghini is actually going to be delaying the Aventador replacement until the year 2024, and also they're gonna get rid of the V12, they're gonna get rid of the V10, and all future Lamborghinis are gonna have a twin-turbo V8 from Porsche. Now, this is not, if you're a Lambo fanboy, this is not good news for you or for me. If they do that, which it's a rumor, so keep that in mind, it's a rumor, but if they do that, that means V12 Lamborghinis are going to skyrocket in value because they will be excessively rare, which means if that does happen today, looking forward, V12 values are gonna climb. I should buy a Mercy, right? Yeah, anyways, on that bombshell, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out.